In this lesson, we will study three of the most commonly used TypeScript types. They are string, number, and Boolean. The string type is used for text. The number type is used for numeric values. The Boolean type is used for true or false values. These are primitive types. Primitive types represent simple values that are used directly in a program. We have already used these types in earlier lessons. Now we will examine them more carefully. Let us begin with the string type. A string represents text. A string value is written inside quotation marks. The variable is named username. The type annotation is string. The assigned value is John. Because John is text, it is written inside quotation marks. The text value begins and ends with matching quotation marks. Add a console log statement. Compile the project. Run the generated JavaScript file. A string may contain letters. It may also contain spaces, digits, and punctuation. Sometimes, a variable can hold an empty string as well. A string with no characters, just double quotes. The digits inside product code are part of the text. Strings can also use single quotation marks instead of double quotation marks. The opening and closing quotation marks must match. A string can also use backticks. A string written with backticks is called a template string or template literal. Please observe the difference between single quotes, double quotes, and backticks. Template strings can insert values into text. The $sign and curly braces insert the value of student name into the text. The terminal displays "Hello Arjun." We will study strings in more detail later. Now let us see how a string variable can be updated. We initialized order status with preparing. Then we updated the order status with the string shipped. Now let us study the number type. The number type represents numeric values. In TypeScript, the number type is used for whole numbers and decimal numbers. Consider the statement. The variable is named user age. The type annotation is number. The assigned value is 25. Numeric values are written without quotation marks. The number type can store whole numbers. It can also store decimal values. TypeScript does not use separate basic types for integers and decimal values. Both are represented by the number type. The number type can also store negative values and 0. Now let us update a number variable. We initialize score with 0. In the subsequent lines, we updated the score to 10 and later to 25. JavaScript also has special numeric values such as NaN and infinity. TypeScript treats them as number values. NaN means not a number. Now let us study the Boolean type. A Boolean represents one of two values. The values are true and false. Boolean values are useful when a program needs to represent a yes or no state. For example, a user may be logged in or logged out. A product may be available or unavailable. A task may be completed or incomplete. The variable is named is available. The type annotation is Boolean. The assigned value is true. The values true and false must be all lowercase. Now let us compare all three primitive types. A string value uses quotation marks. A number value does not use quotation marks. A Boolean value is written as true or false without quotation marks. Now let us create one program that uses all three types. Product name is a string. Unit price is a number. Quantity is a number. Is available is a Boolean. Order message is a string created with backticks. The quantity and product name values are inserted into the message. We then update quantity with another number. We update is available with another Boolean. Finally, we create an updated string message. Every assignment remains compatible with the declared type. Save the file, compile the project, run the generated JavaScript file. The terminal should display this output. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more TypeScript tutorials. In the next lesson, we will study the any, unknown, never, and void types.